So our old kitchen was designed in the 90s and it needs to stay in the 90s. It was really lifeless. It just needed to go. So the brief to my designer was to make sure that the kitchen remains the heart of the home. We love entertaining here and it just needed to have that wow factor when people come and see the space. So the style that I was looking for in my Kinsman kitchen was Hamptons with a touch of coastal because we're close to the beach here. The experience with the Kinsman designer was wonderful. She worked closely with me on the brief to just create this beautiful kitchen. So my favourite part of this kitchen is the Avalon fluted cabinetry. I just love them. So my overall experience with Kinsman was just such a joy from start to finish, from the design consultant to the builders that we worked with. I'm really happy with it. I would definitely recommend Kinsman kitchens to anybody.